Hello everyone, this is old Santa Fe. We just came to Autorounders for sunroof installation. You can see now there is no sunroof installed in this car. So we are going to install the sunroof in this car. So stay tuned guys for more details. Thank you. Hello everyone, this is Hyundai Santa Fe. In this we have installed a motorized sunroof. You can see this. You can see the finishing. It has a sunblind also with it. So if you are looking for such modification, you can call us on 7666 930 930. We are based in Mumbai. Thank you.